Hey beautifuls! So first, in order to achieve a K-beauty look, I'm going to apply a mask. I like to tape it upwards to give a little lift and massage around the nose and neck using the leftovers. I'm gonna leave this for 20 minutes and then when the mask is dry, I spray it on BEACHBORN Healing Toner, let that dry as well, then apply Becca Instant Complexion Face Primer. Now I'm using PERIPERA Ink Lasting Lavender Cushion number 2 with a dense synthetic brush. This cushion provides a luminous sheen and has a buildable coverage. As you can see, my face is starting to become even-toned and dewy, which is exactly the look I'm going for. We're gonna keep strobing with ZOEVA Strobe Gel in Corona. Apply this on your cheekbones, and then to highlight under the eyes, I'm using MAC Select Cover Up in NC30. I'm also covering some dark spots around my lips and on some blemishes. To make my eyes look wide awake, I'm using NYX Wonder Pencil on my waterline, then dust a light layer of an oil control powder mostly to the center of my face and under the eyes to set it in place. Speaking of the eyes, I'm using another ZOEVA Strobe Gel as my eyeshadow base. Just pat this all over, then apply H&M Golden Light on top using either an eyeshadow brush or just use your fingers if you like. Now using a brown pencil, I know this pencil is used in almost every video, but I like it so much, so yeah, I'm applying this on top of the lashes and outer V to make the eyes look bigger. Then using H&M Cinnamon Roll, apply this on top of that pencil to fit it out. I'm also dusting this on the outer V but pointing it down as you go. Koreans are known for the puppy eye look. Next, I'm applying falsies, but instead of using a natural looking lash, I'm using a dramatic one because I really want to make my eyes look like a doll or something. This is Lash Lab Chloe 3D Mink. After that, try to make your brows look really straight and soft. I'm using ZOEVA Brow Spectrum for this step. I'm just slowly filling in the gaps with a shade lighter than my hair color. You can also opt for black, but I just wanted to look soft, that's why I used brown. Make sure to blend any harsh lines, and then after that, set your brows in place. I'm using a brow set in the same color, and as you can see, I don't have straight brows, but I managed to do so by flicking the wand horizontally. Okay, so this is a K-beauty look, but we're making it glam by using a bronzer. I'm mixing 2 shades from the Skin Potions Highlight Palette. Sweep this color to your cheekbones, temples, and jawline. For my nose, I'm using my usual contour shade. What you normally use is okay. Back to the highlighting game, I'm mixing these colors from the same palette using a fan brush. I've always been a fan of fan brush for this step. For smaller areas though, I super like this painting brush. Yes, and I'm applying that on my nose bridge, cupid's bow, and tear duct. Now for the blush, I'm using a cream blush and gently patting this to the apples of my cheeks and blending it towards my nose bridge for a subtle drunk blush look. This is PERIPERA Velvet Cheek in Soft Lavender. We're gonna do the signature ombre lip. I'm putting on my base color first, or you can just use a foundation, but I like this better. This is H&M Strawberry Mochi, and then use a red lipstick on the insides. I'm using a liquid lipstick because I want to make the color last. And then you can blend with your fingers, but I'm just using a brush for precision and also because I don't want to stain on my finger. To finish everything, layer a lip tint. This one is again from PERIPERA, which is called Ink Moist. I got all PERIPERA products from yesstyle.com and the link can be found in the description box. Just apply a little amount and it will give a healthy, glossy finish to the lips. And this is my K-beauty inspired glam look. I actually really like it. In fact, I wore this one time when I fetched my daughter from school and she loved it so much. What about you? Again, this wraps the whole video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, drop some love in the comment section by telling me what's your favorite K-drama or movie. See you in the next video. Bye!